So it's been more than 25 days I'm using the Poco X3 as my primary device, and the overall display has really impressed me so far. You get a full HD plus LCD panel on this device, and the overall color reproduction is so good, the overall brightness is so good, the sunlight visibility is also very good. You get that immersiveness on the display, just a small hole punch on the upper side of the display. But one thing just ruined the overall experience of the display, and that is the jitteriness. Whenever you unlock the device from lock screen, the screen flickers so much, almost 50 to 60% of time the screen started flickering when you unlock the device, and that thing is just super annoying. Hey there, welcome back to another brand new video from Ecom Reviews. Myself Shubhajit, and there are lots of things which I really liked about this phone, but there are some sort of things for which I really felt disappointed. So in this video you will get to know all those things, so just keep watching the video till the end. Yeah, this device comes with all those sensors you need to have on a smartphone for your daily uses, and the Widevine L1 certification is there out of the box. So I had no issues playing Amazon Prime or Netflix videos on full HD, and the overall call quality was very good. The direct video calling support is there, but the inbuilt call recorder app is not there, so you have to use another third-party app for your call recordings. So keep that in mind. And the speaker is very good. You get a stereo speaker system on this device. The sound output is very good. I found no issues, but there is one thing to keep in mind: the back panel vibrates too much. I have made a separated video on that. I will give a link here so you can check it out. Now, talking about the fingerprint scanner and the face unlock, they both worked really well and quite fast. But in the face unlock section, you have to swipe up your screen so that you can unlock your device like this. If it recognizes my face, then you have to swipe up like this. One thing which really disappointed me about this device is the build quality. Yeah, you get a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front panel, but the back panel is made of complete plastic material, and you get this kind of sound from the device. Feels like some hollowness is there in the device, and I think this is the main reason why your back panel vibrates so much, because there is so much of blank space. Now, talking about the battery performance, this device comes with 6000 mAh of powerhouse in it, and the overall battery backup was really impressive. I got almost 6.5 hours of PUBG uses on this device, from 100% to 0%, and in daily life uses you will get surely 2 days of uses. So in battery section there is no issues at all. Now, this phone comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor is of IMX682, and that is 64 megapixels, and the ultra wide one is of 13 megapixels, and you get a depth sensor of 2 megapixels, and the last one is of 5 megapixels of macro camera. In the camera section I have no issues. The main sensor is superb. You get really colorful images, and the portrait shots are also very good. I have no issues in the camera section. And also a surprising thing was that this phone supports 60 fps image stabilization. So just think, a 17K smartphone is giving you 60 fps constant image stabilization enabled. So this thing is really impressive. So thumbs up for the Poco team for this. And I have made a separated video comparison test for the Poco X3 versus Poco X2. You can check that out. I will give the link here. Now, talking about the performance, this device comes with Snapdragon 732G, and which is a little bit faster than its predecessor 730G. I found no issues in the performance section. You will get no lags at all. Just the jitteriness is there on the lock screen, but overall the performance was buttery smooth, and you get that 120 Hz panel on this device, so that thing makes the overall experience or more good. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you liked, then hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then a subscription will be really helpful for me. So see you guys in the next video, and till then, sign out, Ecom Reviews.